Hello, Jan Montarsi here, and I'd like to invite you to my Minimal Waste Kaleidoscope Cane Workshop, hosted by Create Along at the Clay Play Stay Spring Retreat in March 2024. In the description, there will be a link to take you to the class information page at Create Along. Please take time to read it, and now I will tell you a little bit about my class. One lucky attendee will win a Lucy V5 slicer, their top of the line, provided by lucyclay.com. I will also be giving a quick demonstration on slicer safety. In my class, I will teach you to make beautiful kaleidoscope canes with minimal waste. We will work on a scale and size that even beginners will be able to achieve. We'll teach you about my basic primary color palettes and how I use them to make different colorways. We will start with a simple rainbow blend setup to make a beautiful rainbow blend. We will then change that rainbow blend by harmonizing the colors. From our blends, we will make simple cane components. Then we will change the shapes and designs of the components to build our kaleidoscope canes. This is a scale that most people can work with and most crafters can use without having large amounts of clay cane left over or scrap waste. My class is a skill building workshop. You will be able to make 1 to 2 canes with increasing detail as you learn. Every kaleidoscope triangle cane will always produce 3 different distinct patterns. We will discuss different color palettes as well as making a 2 primary analogous kaleidoscope colorway. This one was made from turquoise blue and yellow. These blends are magenta and blue. Changing the colors and contrast of the colors will allow you to make simple but beautiful canes. I will also teach you how to assemble your cane slices for perfect kaleidoscopes, as well as my signature easy back bail. And aside from assembling pendants, I will teach you how to make ring dishes and using slices for earrings. Scraps can be made into beautiful beads. And we will also talk about do's and don'ts, because there are a few. My goal is to teach you how to make kaleidoscope canes on a scale that most crafters can use without waste or leftovers. I would also enjoy showing you how to work precisely for perfect kaleidoscopes that meet and align perfectly along all the seams. I really hope you are able to join us in Keystone Heights, Florida, March 6th through 10th, 2024. See the description for the link to the website for Create Along with all the details of the retreat as well as the other teachers and their projects. Hope to see you there.